Yeah.
What do you got?
What'd you get? Holy mackerel. What is this?
Puppy.
What? What did you get? I think it's a horsey, not a puppy.
You got a horsey. Oh boy.
Look at all this stuff. This is all from Santa. Santa brought that for you. Oh, we got stockings too. Do you want to open those? Okay.
You're a very good harmonica player. You're a natural. You got your backpack on, huh?